Hello everybody, welcome again with another live Forex analysis. So in this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of gold, and we will also share our trading ideas of gold for intraday trading with all of you guys. So first of all, we will discuss about our previous analysis video. Okay, so this is the gold chart. We are on H4 time frame. So market was almost here when we did this analysis. So if you did not watch that video, you can go to our YouTube channel FxFaisal and watch this video. We upload this video on almost 3rd August. So we upload this video and we did this analysis in that video, and we said we will open a buy trade above this resistance level, and if market break this support level, then we will open a sell trade, and if market break this support level, then market will go towards this support level. So our prediction was right. So market goes according to our prediction. Market break this support level, goes to this support level. After that, market break this support level and goes towards the support level, and so on. Okay, so this was the previous analysis. So first of all, I would like to apologize to all of you guys. We are not regular on our YouTube. We are not regular on our all other social media platforms. We are really very sorry. Basically, we are busy in some other issues. That's why we are not regular on upload the daily live forex analysis videos. So please like this video and subscribe this channel and press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live updates from us. So when we upload daily video, you will get a proper notification, and then you can watch our analysis videos. So we will try our best to be regular. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's come to the point. First of all, we will remove the unnecessary areas, and we are going to do some fresh live analysis. Okay, so first of all, we will see on the 1 time frame. Perfect, this is the support level. This was the previous support level. This is the support level again. Let's see if market act as an resistance level. This is the resistance level, and this is the supply level. Okay, so move on H4 time frame. So basically on H4 time frame, first of all, we have a support level here, and just remove this area. Here we have a supply area. If you know any supply demand supply knowledge, then you should know that this is the supply area. This is the drop base drop, DBR, DBT, sorry. Okay, so move on H1 time frame and do some more analysis. Okay, so here we have a supply resistance here. Okay, so now market is ranging in this area. So basically, first of all, we look here that if market break this resistance area, then market should go towards this supply area, and if market break this support level, then market should go towards this support level again. So move on M30 time frame. Okay, perfect. So basically, if we look on M30 time frame or H1 time frame, there are not good candles. We have not clear move like this move and like this move. We have not clear move in this range area. That's why we are not looking for any trade in this range. So basically, this is the no trade range for me. You can open trade if you can see any trade, but basically I'm not looking for any trade in this range area. I'm looking for buy trade above this resistance level and sell trade below this support level. Basically I am looking only these two trades. Let's see if we will find any trade, then we will open, otherwise we will not open any trade today. So one more announcement, we are not regular, you know that we are not regular on our daily live analysis videos, but we are working on our copy trading service. We are trading. If you want to get exact entry or exit points, we have not signal system, we have only copy trading service. You can join our copy trading service. By joining the copy trading service, you can copy all the trades which I opened on our personal account. We opened a new account for only copy trading services, for our clients, for our friends, for our fans. So you can join our copy trading service and copy all the trades which we open on our personal account. To join our copy trading service, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. Contact us and join our copy trading service. I hope you will enjoy our service. So basically these are the true trading ideas of gold for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in Forex groups. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live Forex analysis videos. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.